25 perfect pergola designs for your garden. After completing the interior renovations of this charming, 1920s-era home in Chicago's northern suburbs, the Sweet Peas design team added a limestone patio sheltered by a natural cedar pergola trimmed with reclaimed barnwood. The pergola anchors and defines a curvaceous patio and rear entry while providing architectural interest, texture, and heft. The natural cedar, which will turn gray over time, is a rustic complement to the vintage bricks of this nearly 100-year-old home, while the barnwood is echoed in the shutters on the carriage house. Connecting to 3 exterior walls of this Chandler, Arizona-based home, the rugged beamed pergola shelters this area into a courtyard-style patio. Not only does it unify the area, but the roof also helps to cool down rooms inside, helping to cut down on air conditioning use. The home was designed and built by Forte Homes. Austin, Texas architect Elizabeth Baird cleverly worked around the challenge of a small space by incorporating a casita, pool house, pool, spa, patio, deck, built-in seating, and a pergola. The custom-built steel trellis was welded from steel pipe, with part of it sitting on a custom wood and concrete bench. The challenge of working with limited space, smart design and creating levels, or using vertical space. Austin architectural firm Weber Studio designed a pergola that extends from the back exterior wall of the house, using the same materials and colors. Ideally, a pergola and outdoor space are designed at the same time as the house, and everything relates. Lime green chairs provide a pop of color to the subtle taupe brown and tan of the structure. In Amsterdam, where outdoor space is tight, a basement door leads to an outdoor living room sheltered by a pergola. Designed by Arjan Beckel, the outdoor space is an even mix of plants and hardscape. The pergola is covered with outdoor shade cloth, and lights were added for evening use. For this Arizona backyard, L Interiors handled everything from furniture selections and placements to materials and overall exterior design schemes and plans. The firm is well versed in plants and trees suitable for the Arizona climate. Cushions and pillows in jewel tones help to create a stunning outdoor oasis. Instead of using the standard 2x2-foot slats that tend to warp, Diane Garibaldi of Designs by Diane Solution was custom fabricated fixed Roman solar shading panels that provide filtered shade. Made of Pfeiffer shading material, the panels block out about 90% of the sun's harmful rays. To clean, just hose off as needed. The panels also help to cool down the home's interior, saving energy by cutting down on air conditioner use. Santa Barbara, California-based Jody G Designs focuses on interiors and landscapes, a growing necessity in California and other warm climates, where outdoor spaces need just as much design and detail as interiors. This is Jody's home in nearby Montecito, which is a Balinese-style retreat. Thatch roof palapa pergolas give authenticity to the rainforest-like landscape, which features lush, tropical plants and places to meditate and relax. Inspired by the mid-century modern style, materials, and colors, this outdoor space by Dale Alcock Homes in Perth, Australia features an inset concrete block feature and pergola with panels that allow light to shine through. Rustic, California ranch-style home designed by the Carlson Design Group and built by Carroll and Strong Builders incorporates a wood beam pergola under the tile roof that cools off the porch. The house is located in Santa Lucia. Designed and built by High Craft Builders, this charming, cozy country house in the foothills of Loveland, Colorado features a cross-beam pergola decorated with string lights for simple gatherings to dine or gather around the fire pit. In order to be used for as many months as possible, 9th Avenue Designs created this custom-built outdoor kitchen in Cleveland, Ohio with a pergola and fireplace, which provide warmth and shelter as the homeowners grill and dine. While the architectural style of this house in the Cleveland, Ohio suburb of Pepper Pike is considered traditional, its backyard and pergola are contemporary or even modern. Designed by 9th Avenue Designs, the pool is rectangular, the landscaping echoes or frames the pool and patio, and the pergola is flat and simple. A sleek, modern outdoor sectional, rectangular fire pit and slat tables make this a clean, inviting space. For For a California coastal house with an ocean view, Smith Firestone Associates designed an outdoor room with a clean, flat-roofed pergola in soft grays and off-white. Supported by posts sunk into stone pedestals, this solid pergola from High Craft Builders is illuminated with light strands to coax people outdoors in the evening. A rooftop deck in Milan, Italy includes a solarium with an attached pergola that supports climbing vines. Walls are painted in plum repeating accents throughout the interior of this modern urban home. Courtesy of Dara Hayer Photography. The ends of beams or rafters in a pergola have names to identify how they are cut. Most are designed to complement a home's architectural style. This particular cut, from High Craft Builders, is a quad Scotia. Built between two outside walls, this pergola takes on an arbor-like role in that it supports vines and a New Zealand tree fern, which resembles a feathered palm. Constructed by Bay Area Construction Homes, the home is located in Atherton, California. Space between the new addition of this Detroit area house and the garage became a deck. Homeowner Ellen Walters of Exactly Designs added a partition wall to block her family's view of their next-door neighbors and serve as a window treatment for the sliding door. The pergola's ceiling is made of plumbing pipe, while the house, partition, and garage are faced in cement board. Designed by Emeritus in Nantucket, Massachusetts, this pergola helps define the south-facing outdoor space, which is located directly off the interior living areas and filters the strong southern light. The pergola also serves to animate the space as the sun moves from east to west throughout the day. On the southwestern shores of Maui, this Makina Beach home, designed and built by Architectural Design and Construction, Inc., features seamless transitions from indoors to outdoors. Not surprisingly, from any angle, the view is breathtaking, whether it's the turquoise sea, lush tropical trees, or carefully selected native plants throughout the landscape. Supported by stone-covered posts, the wood beams and rafters are flat, simple, horizontal, and do not block that view. The architect was Nishikawa Architects, Inc., and interior designer was Ahura Designs. While this pergola doesn't project too far from the back of the house, it does serve an important purpose. It provides shelter and privacy for the homeowner's hot tub. Designed and built by Paradise Restored, the Portland, Oregon yard was completely redesigned to incorporate separate areas of activity that blend effortlessly. While an overhead is practical, it also creates a dynamic architectural element to a landscape. Luminosis Design's simple wooden pergola makes the outdoor dining area more intimate while providing shelter. Walk a straight line from the backyard through the dining room, den to the terrace, veranda, and you won't be interrupted by any doors. The terrace is clearly an extension of the open interior, protected by a pergola. Furnishings were designed by the internationally recognized firm Meredith Bear Home. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.